What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how to explain why things happen without sounding like a robot? Today we're diving into because of and due to. Hit that like button if you're ready to master these phrases. Both because of and due to are used to talk about reasons, but it's a bit tricky how we use them. Let's clear up the confusion. Because of and due to both talk about causes, but they fit into sentences differently. Let's figure out how. Because of is followed by a noun or a noun phrase. It's like saying, this happened because of that. Simple, right? For example, school was fun because of the festival. Festival is our noun here, showing the reason for the fun. Now, due to is a bit more formal. It's often used in more official or written English. Just like because of, it needs a noun or a noun phrase after it. But often you'll see it after the verb to be, like is, are, was, or were. Here's a good example. The delay was due to traffic. Traffic is the noun causing the delay. One common mix-up is using due to without the verb to be. You should remember if you're not using the verb to be. Because of is probably what you need. Stick to this rule and you'll sound like a pro. Time for you to try. Think of something that happened recently and explain why using because of or due to. Put your sentences in the comments below. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. That's it for today's grammar adventure. If this video cleared up the mystery of because of and due to for you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next video.